Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome back to another informative session at FO School of Knowledge. I'm your host Ihsanullah, and today we dive deep into the fascinating word of CAT. CAAT mean computer assisted audit technique. In the context of audit assurance, is always if you're preparing for your ACCA exam or simply interested in expanding your knowledge, so you are in the right place. So let's get started. Before we explore the detail of the computer, that is CAAT, and audit assurance, let's begin by understanding what exactly that CAT means. So that CAT stand for Computer Assisted Audit Technique. Computer Assisted Audit Technique, and it refer to the use of technology tools and software to enhance the effectiveness and efficiency of the audit process. So these tools enable the auditor to analyze a large volume of data, identify the patterns, and detect anomalies more effectively than traditional manual methods. Now let's move on to the various type of that computer assisted audit techniques commonly used in the audit engagement. So we have uh, several type of this CAT that auditor imply based on the specific requirement. If we start from the first one, that is generalized audit software, that's simple GAS, GAS, generalized audit software. This generalized audit software allows auditor to import data from various sources and perform data analysis and generate customized report. It provides features like filtering, sorting, summarizing data to facilitate audit procedure. So that GAS tools commonly used in practice including ACL, IDEA, and teammate analytics. The second one, we have test data. Test data involves using simulated data to assess the integrity and reliability of an organization system. Auditor create hypothetical scenarios and test the system response to evaluate its accuracy and effectiveness. So this is the second thing we have done. Now the third one is embedded audit modules that we call EAM. In this EAM involves incorporating audit routines in organization information system. So these routines automatically perform specified audit procedure, generating reports and alerts for the potential issues. So embedded audit modules, what we call EMA in short, so ensure continuous monitoring and provide real time insight into the organization operation. Now there are some merits and demerits of this computer assisted audit techniques, CAT. First, we have to discuss the benefit. What is the benefit? So we understand the types of CAT. So let's discuss the benefit that auditor and organization can derive from incorporating the CAT into the audit process. The first one, like other technology, this will increase the efficiency. CAT, computer assisted audit techniques tools allow auditors to automate repetitive tasks, thereby saving time and effort. And ability to process large volume of data quickly, enhance efficiency and enable the auditor to focus on more critical area of the audit. So this one is the first advantage. The second one, I would say, like like a human do some errors. So this will improve, or you can say like enhance accuracy. So manual method of data analysis are prone to errors, and but CAD tools offer greater accuracy and identifying anomalies and deviations. So these tools can apply complex algorithms and statistical techniques to identify patterns and potential fraud indicators. The third one benefit of this CAT is improve audit trials. With CAT, auditor can maintain a comprehensive and easily accessible audit trials. The tool provides a digital record of the audit procedure performed, making it easier to track and review the audit process. Now, what are the challenges and consideration? You may say like, what are the demerits? But I'll not use the word demerit. I will use the terms challenges and consideration. So, ensuring data integrity and security is crucial when implementing CAD. So, the first thing is ensuring data integrity and security. So, this is the challenge for using the CAD, implementing the CAD. Auditor need to consider the reliability and accuracy of the data that are analyzing, as well as the protection of the sensitive information. It's essential to have a strong data control and a security measure in place to mitigate risk. Technical expert, this is another challenge for you when you're implementing the CAD, because effective utilization of CAD require auditor to have a certain level of technical experts. So that should be proficient and using the software tools, understanding data structure, applying appropriate data analysis techniques. Continuous training and upskilling are necessary to keeping up with evolving technology. Another challenge one is as the cost and resource allocations. Definitely you are going from manual to technology, you are advancing, so definitely you have to face some cost. So implementing CAD may involve significant cost, including acquiring software licenses, training auditors about this CAD, and maintaining technical infrastructure. So organizations need to be carefully assess the return on the investment and allocate resources accordingly. You have to look, you have to balance, you have to weigh up what is the cost and what is the benefit. And then we have to further illustrate the practical application of CAD. So let's explore a few case studies where CAD has been instrumental in enhancing audit and assurance process. The first one is fraud detection. So CAD tool can analyze large data set and identify pattern indicative of potential fraudulent activities. So by automating data analysis and applying advanced algorithms, auditor can uncover anomalies that might have gone unnoticed using a manual methods, and that is by human nature this is possible. The second thing is financial statement analysis. That computer assisted audit technique allow auditor to perform extensive financial analysis quickly and accurately. They can verify the accuracy of financial information, assess the compliance with accounting standard, and identifying inconsistency or errors. So this is the second practical case study. Now the third one is risk assessment and control testing. So this computer assisted art technique facilitates risk assessment and control testing by enabling auditor to analyze transactional data and identify control weakness. So it helps auditor to assess the effectiveness of internal control, control and recommend improvements. Now let me wrap it up with a conclusion and the final thought. So as we conclude today's session that on Caat and audit and assurance, it's clear that technology play a vital role in enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of the audit process. Uh, computer uh, Computer assisted artificial tools provide auditor with the means to process large volume of data, detect anomalies, and mitigate risk. So, however, it's important to remember that technology as a tool and should be used in conjunction with the professional judgment and expertise. Thank you all for joining me today at FO School of Knowledge. I hope you found this session informative and valuable. If you have any question, I would like to suggest topic for the future videos. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Until next time, keep expanding your knowledge, seeking for excellence. Thank you.